I've actually seen other of my compressors, I believe, that are this one, so this is going to be better to work this out now. Model number H23B288283ABCA. And now that we've got this correct, this is a
Welcome
40.
back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay. Got 2 more units here. Got a, looks like a Goodman unit. Like a 10 SEER old Goodman unit. And pull both disconnects and get after these. That was in there tight, which is a good thing. Okay, here we go. Getting everything going today. Checking all our units on the electrical side. Better. Looking for a better summer. Alright. Got behind this door. I think we remember this unit. I think I found this one down at one point repaired. What do we got? Compressor doesn't tell us what size capacitor. They should get, it's got a 45 on it, it looks like. Here, contactor's not pulled in, so we're going to discharge a capacitor. Capacitors hold a charge in it, even after the power is disconnected. It's got a 5 fan. Here's all our commons. It's a little loose. Fix that up. Get around to the back of this one here. Make that a little easier. Go ahead and see our label. It's a 45. Okay. So ready to test them. Over to microfarad, and I'll take a reading on the 45. Let's see what we got. 40. So for a 45, that's weak. I am not 100% sure on this unit. Let's see what our 5 is. 4.67, so it's weak as well. This unit, the compressor is not labeled. I can try to look up the model number on my phone, see if I can get anything as far as the deal goes. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Search the model number. It's a Bristol. So let's say Bristol compressor. Let's see, H23B283, H23B283, ABCA. And if anyone has better ways of looking this up, please leave it in the comments below. That would be helpful to everybody. What I wanted to look up was capacitor size. Okay, I've got definitely lots of things back, but let's see, capacitor size. Search. Johnstone Supply. Probably try that one. Let's see. Start capacitor, run capacitor. Huh. Let me try Johnstone Supply here. See if we get anything. Yeah, I think compressor manufacturers and fan motors should definitely put it on the compressor. Make life easier for everybody. My internet's really slow. Come on, buddy. It's taking me to the mobile Johnstone Supply deal. In the meantime, I need a new 5. So while that's searching, taking its sweet time. I've got 40 on the capacitor. My thought is, you know, to figure out what size is actually the manufacturer calls for. So I may not be able to find this here. Oh, here we go. Manufacturer overview. 45 degrees, discharge center, capacitor G22-846. Run capacitor G36273. So try to follow the link through. Looks like they have a hard start kit on there. I hope I didn't go back too many. Okay, come on, buddy. So the start capacitor, okay. They recommend, or they show, a Titan Pro and a 440. Come on, where's the microfarad? 40 volts. 40 microfarad. So, even though this was a 45, it's at the correct, and they show using a 40/5, a Titan Pro. That's a 40/5. As Johnstone Supply. So at the moment I tested at 40.1, so I'm right where we want to be. I definitely have a lot more of this particular unit model number, so I'm going to write that model number down and keep an eye out for that, and try to better, again, I'm just searching for a better situation all around for my units. So there's the new 5, and now we've got our .45 here. I can kind of weave this term in a better way. Make sure our connections are nice and tight. Start kit, one lead each side. Okay, and what are we missing? We're missing something. Definitely missing something. That's common. Definitely. Where are you? Is that? Did it only have one? Let's see, this fan motor has its own. There it is, it's right in front of me. Hiding right in front of me. That's where stuff usually hides. Sometimes it happens. There we go. Everything's nice and tight. I'd rather use a Titan Pro, but I don't have just a straight 40. I've got a 40/5. We could use just the brown fan on the fan and cap off the common. But we're at our recommended microfarads now, so I'll go ahead and plug this one in and test it out. Take a listen to that compressor and see how it sounds. feeling about this compressor. And I've actually seen other of my compressors, I believe, that are this one, so this is going to be better to work without now. Model number H23B28283ABCA. And now that we've got this correct, this is a 40/5. All right. And it'd just be nice if the compressor manufacturers would write that on the compressor, but they don't. So we programmed that in my phone. I'm going to test this now by pushing in the contactor. And there it is. Sounds good. Like it self-adjusts to its temperature. And now I'm going to write this compressor model number down.
Yeah, I'll start compiling a list of these, listing out all the compressors. It's likely that other units were replaced with the same compressor, so keeping a list will make it a lot easier.
Buddy. Okay, I just copied it from the search that I did, and now I can go into the app I use for taking notes, add it, and paste it in. Crystal capacitor size 40, and I'll put /5. There it is, Bristol compressor, capacitor size 40/5. So it's really, I'm really glad to be doing this and work these units out so that where I've really got the correct stuff. Because, you know, throwing the wrong capacitor size in there is going to prematurely cut its life. So we did it. It's good, and it's on to the next one.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. Said it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Son of man came to seek and save that which was lost. He came to show sinners the way out through his cross. Repent and believe and be born again. Ask and receive as God does send. by the angels that walk. Do you hear the knocking